Yo, my name is Benjamin, and in this video I'll cover 3 things we added to Framer in the October update. First, you can now drag and drop videos directly onto the canvas to add new videos to your pages. And we also respect the aspect ratio of your source file in the process, so you can get started right away. And I'll open the preview to show you that yes, we indeed have an auto-playing video here added to our Framer page. And this also works when using the copy and paste shortcuts. Next up, effects. We improved copy and pasting of effects throughout the app. So let's say we have a header here and we wanted to give it a unique appear effect. I can spend some time customizing the properties and then even customizing the spring curve. But once I'm done, I might want to add this to another layer. So now I can right-click on the effect in the property panel, hit copy, select my second layer, right-click on effects, and then hit paste. So this even works if your selection doesn't have an appear effect just yet. So if we now were to go back and customize the first appear effect, let's say we wanted to add a Y offset of 30 instead, we can do the same thing even though our second layer already has an appear effect applied. This time we can right click on the existing effect to paste over it and thus updating it. As you can see, our second layer now also has the offset of 30. So that was effects copy and pasting. And last but not least, we refreshed the color picker. We now have a new split control for your color values, allowing easier editing of RGB and HSL colors specifically. So I can now hit the tab key to cycle between individual values, and then use the arrow keys to either increment or decrement. We can use the dropdown on the right to switch to HSL, for example. And same thing here, like I could play with the U value separately now. And all in all, this is a nice bit of polish to our color picker that was requested often by the community. So those were 3 highlights from this month's Framer update. There's over 30 changes in this release, so please go to framer.com/updates to check out everything that we improved. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.